Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead on the piano. First, familiarize yourself with the game's unique jazz-inspired soundtrack. Begin by learning the main themes and their underlying chord progressions. Focus on developing a strong sense of rhythm, as syncopation is key to capturing the game's energetic feel. This guide will help you bring the iconic music to your fingertips. Cuphead's music draws heavily from 1930s big band jazz. To play it authentically, you must embrace swing rhythms, often felt as a triplet subdivision. Incorporate elements of improvisation, even if subtle, to add flair. Don't shy away from chromaticism and occasional dissonances. They are integral to the game's quirky charm and intense boss battles. Playing Cuphead on piano requires specific techniques. Work on mastering fast arpeggios and quick melodic runs, which are common in the soundtrack. Develop a strong, articulate left hand for the walking bass lines and chord voicings. Consistent practice of sight-reading sheet music will significantly improve your ability to learn new pieces quickly and accurately. To further your journey, seek out official or fan-made sheet music available online. Many excellent video tutorials break down complex sections of Cuphead songs. Remember, consistent practice is crucial. Aim for 20 to 30 minutes daily. Start slowly, gradually increasing tempo, and soon you'll be playing your favorite Cuphead tunes with confidence and style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.